Hey, what's up guys? Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in today's video. So I'm going to be talking about some of the things I see online which people are doing, and I think that it's going to hold people back. And basically what that is people that type info into their various things online, and they're all interested in what people are doing, and they want to get the stuff and they want to get the info and whatnot, and then they never do anything with it. And they think there's some secret sauce that they're missing because they're not actually taking action on the stuff that they get told. And then, sure enough, 3 months later, you see their name pop up again. And then they don't reply to you in Messenger after you actually go to send them the information anyway, because they don't really believe that you can help them out. And then you see them dotting themselves all over the internet, info, and they're not taking any action. Now, the problem with this approach is that those people are always going to remain at the bottom rung of the ladder. They're never going to climb it. Because even though you're obviously curious, they're obviously trying to do stuff, they're probably not even taking action on the good advice that they're getting along the way. And of course, there's going to be scatterings of bad advice amongst that, but for the most part, they're just not taking action on it. Now, if you resonate with this messaging and you're the type of person that goes out there and you're typing info all the time and you're wondering what other people are doing and the secret source to all this stuff, I completely get it. I was there not that long ago. Well, actually, let me rewind that part. It is quite a long time ago now, come to think of it. I'm going to say maybe 5+ years ago, when I was still hunting around in forums and online and in groups and stuff like that. And I was curious about what people are doing, and I was wondering how they're getting these great results, and wondering how they're making 10K per month, 20K per month, all this sort of stuff. And I was trying to search for that magic key ingredient. But the problem is that the magic key ingredient is your mindset, and the magic key ingredient is learning the fundamentals of how to actually craft an offer to get in front of people, and the key ingredient is learning how to build an audience of fans that are willing and able and ready to buy from you. Now, if you can learn those things, then you're more than halfway there, because honestly, in my experience, that's what it comes down to. If you can learn those from a fundamental basis, it's going to carry on for your funnels, for your email sequencing, all that sort of stuff. It is the crux and the basis of what you are doing. Take time to learn that stuff. That's what people that are out there wanting the passive income and done for you profit funnel things that are out there. That's not a business. What happens when that stops working? There's a funnel system thing, fucking I don't know, whatever it's called, that disappeared around about 6-7 weeks ago now. I'm sure you guys will be able to figure out what it's called if you do your homework. Now, with that thing in place, people were basing their entire business model on that one thing. And so therefore, when it disappeared, where's your business gone? There's no training on the back end of that makes you offers, that actually shows you how to craft an offer, that shows you how to sell, shows you how to build a brand, how to build loyalty within your brand, because you're just selling this piece of shit. And that's the problem with this whole industry in general, is that people are going out there, they're looking for the easy shortcuts. They're looking for the thing that makes them money like that, the instant gratification, rather than putting the time into actually building a brand, something that is going to help propel them forward. Not just now, not just because you're selling the latest gadget or whatever it is. It's because they trust you. You've built equity within your audience. They want to follow you. They want to buy stuff from you because they know that you are helping them out. So anyway, if you're the type of person that's out there and you're still month after month, after year, like I've seen so many of you guys out there doing that, you're typing info into the forums, info into the groups, you're wondering, what's the secret sauce? Like I say, focus on those things. Get your mindset right. Chances are it's probably a slight disbelief that you're experiencing. That's why you keep having to search for information. You think that there's some missing piece. And maybe there is. But you'll find that as you gain momentum in your business, once you stay static and stick with one thing. Don't stay static. Stick with one thing, but keep moving with that one thing, and keep going with it, because that's the secret there. Consistency and persistency, as well as having your mindset checked out as well. So anyway, with all that being said, hopefully you guys got some value. Some very quick video today. My name's Jamie. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, how to get started online, how to build a business from the foundational principles of sales, marketing, branding, offer creation, check out the link below. Feel free to smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.